Hello everyone, this is Bikram Sitola and today I'll be presenting the game design document for my final project which is titled Towerscape. So the title is subject to change, so I may change it later. So the game is basically a fast-paced 2D endless platformer game that is focused on vertical movement, timing and quick decision making. So the main genre and theme of my game belongs to the 2D endless platformer genre. So the central theme is vertical escape, where the player must climb as quickly as possible inside a collapsing tower, and the tone of the game is energetic and urgent, pushing the player to stay in motion at all times. In Tower Escape, the objective is simple but highly engaging. The player jumps from brick to brick, climbing upwards and gaining points with each successful landing. However, every platform the player steps on becomes temporary. After a short delay, the brick collapses and falls away. This mechanic creates constant pressure and forces the player to keep moving. So, if the player misses a jump and falls off the screen, the game ends and the final score is displayed. Because the tower is endless and always changing, each attempt feels like different and encourages player to improve their previous best score. So this game draws inspirations from well-known games such as Doodle Jump, Icy Tower, and Stack Jump. So these games heavily influence the upward progression, the arcade style flow, and the motivation to chase high scores. So that being said, my game Tower Escape differentiates itself through its collapsing platform mechanic, its interior tower setting, and the high pressure environment that makes each run feel tense and exciting. So, this game is designed for a broad audience that includes casual players who enjoy quick and satisfying gameplay, mobile gamers who prefer short and repeatable sessions, and PC gamers who appreciates reflex-based platforming challenges. So the game is easy to learn for all the players, but the increasing difficulty ensures that more experienced players will remain engaged. So the core mechanics of this game are intentionally simple and intuitive. So first, the player moves left, right, and jumps using the arrow keys, and jump can be done using the space key as well. So platforms are procedurally generated, like that gives every run a unique platform placements. And once a player steps on a brick, it collapses after a short delay, requiring fast movement and quick response. So as the player climbs higher, the game ramps up difficulty by increasing platform spacing and tightening the timing windows. So this combination of simplicity and rising challenges forms the foundation of this game's addictive nature. So for the UI and graphics, I kept everything clean and modern. So you start on a simple main menu, you hop into the game, you see your score as you climb, and when you fall, a clean game over screen pops up with retry or quit options. So it's all made for quick restarts because this is a try again instantly type of game. The core game loop of this game is super simple but very engaging. First, you start at the bottom, then you climb, you jump, and you gain points. Then the tower starts to collapse behind you. You panic just a little. Eventually, you fall, you check your score, and you hit that retry button because you know you can climb higher. So it's the classic one more run feeling game that makes the endless games so addictive and fun to play. To sum up everything, this game blends accessibility with challenge using simple controls, procedural level generations, and a unique collapsing platform mechanic to create a fun and energetic gameplay experience. So the design encourages constant improvement and delivers a compelling arcade style vertical escape challenge. So thank you everyone for your time.